Hello everyone, I bring you a job update from IBM. So, 2018 to 2021 batch, the bachelor's degree holders can apply for the job at IBM. IBM, as you all know, is a very prestigious company. So, I'll be covering what are the roles and responsibilities that you'll handle if you're part of IBM and why you should join. What is the required expertise they are expecting from you, and who all are eligible to apply for this job. So, the role that they offer you is the associate systems engineer. So, you can spark growth for their clients and you can spark your career along with your profile. So what's your next step forward? So they are just explaining in the advertisement. So IBM, it's a digital cognitive and cloud company, it's changing the way the world works. So who you are, here's where you come in. So they are looking for passionate original thinkers who want to be champion progress, furthering their careers and growing their network. If we see someone as who never stops learning, who believes in no problem is too big to solve, and who wants to explore our personal career with IBM, so IBM service is for such people. So why you should join? There are few reasons, like you can take next step forward. It's an excellent opportunity for all the freshers out there. Like I told, 2018 to 2021 engineering degree batch, they can apply for this job. You can make an impact sooner because you will be getting on the job learning, working along with good projects, and your network will be very good once you join such a company. So the attributes, core skills and responsibilities they have defined, I'll share that link. So they require technical and professional expertise, like in the environment, like they want professional knowledge related to KRA, and that requires you to demonstrate the ability to absorb professional knowledge quickly and develop skills related to technical, functional, software and soft skills. So communication or negotiation, like your network is your net worth. How you talk to people, how you assign you get your duties done, and the problem solving approach is important. So coming to the main part, who are eligible for the job. So as they have mentioned, the BTech or BE degree holders, MCA, MTech and Master in Engineering, ME. So the branches that are eligible to apply for this job is computer science and engineering, information technology, information science, software engineering, electronics and communication engineers, electrical and electronics engineers, applied electronics and instrumentation, electrical engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, electronics engineering, electronics and instrumentation and control, and also instrumentation. So these are the eligible branches of engineering or MCA, MTech, those who are eligible to apply for this job. And if you are one of them, don't wait, just go to the description box, apply for this job right away. There is nothing like a deadline as of now mentioned in the link. So if you are in Karnataka, like they have mentioned the province will be in Karnataka, and it's a regular type of job, it's not a contract job. And IBM is really a good option if you want to start your career. So don't wait for anything, the link is right down in the description box. And if you want more updates of such jobs, subscribe to our channel and keep growing. Thank you.